How to log in for US Bank Visa Platinum Credit Card. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into US Bank Visa Platinum Credit Card. For this, you want to open up any web browser. Now search for US Bank. Then from the search results, tap on the one that says usbank.com. Once you tap on this website, tap on the login option at the top right corner of your screen. It will now take you to the account login portal. Here you want to select your account type. You can select from online banking, online investing, business banking, corporate and commercial and institutional. Select online banking from here. Now you want to enter your username. Once you have entered your username, if you want to remember this detail, check the box that says remember my username. Only do this if you are using a private device. Now you want to enter your password. After entering this, tap on the login option. In case you have forgotten your password, you want to tap on the Get Login Help option. Follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset your password. Once you have been successfully logged into your US Bank account, you will be able to access the Visa Platinum credit card over there. Once you access your dashboard, you can pay your credit card bill, see credit card statements, monitor the account activity, and change the account information over there. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.